Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Med for All. In this video, I will explain protocols to measure blood pressure. What are the protocols to measure blood pressure? First of all, the patient should be seated comfortably with back supported. Legs should be uncrossed. The arm should be bared. The arm should be supported at the level of the heart. The cuff bladder should cover two-thirds of the upper arm. The tubings of the sphygmomanometer should be upward. If you are using mercury sphygmomanometer, then the level of the mercury should be down at the level of 2 to 3 mm per second. These were the few protocols that we should follow while checking the blood pressure. And now I will demonstrate these protocols by checking the blood pressure of a patient.